I'm just weird about pictures.
Oh, you're not on pictures now. You're on video.
Yeah, but you can't post any.
I won't.
Don't.
Cheers.
Cheers. Not being on Facebook.
Here.
If you put that on Facebook, I will kill you, and I will find out.
You won't, because you're not my friend on Facebook.
I will hunt you down, and I will kill you.
I love how you don't even friend me.
I don't friend
Anybody.
I have like 30 friends. Why?
Kim doesn't like us.
No.
I like you guys. I just don't like you on Facebook.
Kim thinks that, like,
Why not?
I get my password to Alan.
No, I just think you pass out.
Put that fucking shit down. I know you're recording some shit. You already have a video of me. Anybody,
I have a couple videos of you.
if anybody sees this fucking
I would
shit,
do that around
know that she did this. Sandra did this.
I don't like pictures.
She did it all. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at the camera. Because you're looking at, look at the world. Look at America. Anyone online that's going to see this video is going to see your face. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Some bullshit. Some bullshit. He's nuts.